Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Net Framework 3.5 0x800f0906 installation error. If Windows cannot download the source files needed to install Net Framework, make sure that you're connected to the internet and click retry to try again. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process of resolving this issue, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Type in Windows Features. Best match should come back with Turn Windows Features on or off. Left click on that. You want to select the box next to .NET Framework 3.5, so click inside of the box next to it. Left click on OK. Give it a moment to load up here. Select Let Windows Update download the files for you. Okay, so once that's done, it should say Windows completed the requested changes. Select Close. What's just restarting your computer, and that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.